If trust has been broken after infidelity, where do you even start? Rebuilding trust is not about one apology, one conversation, or pretending it never happened. It takes steps. Welcome back to Inside Aromacy. I'm Celia, Veronica, and in this final episode, I'm going to share 7 steps that couples can use as a start towards rebuilding trust after infidelity, if staying together is what they have both chosen. Step 1 is commitment. Both people need to be honest about whether they are willing to do the work and prepared to give the process the time it may take. Step 2 is the affair story. Not every painful detail, but enough truth and understanding for the betrayed partner to try to make sense of what happened. Step 3 is personal healing. Both people may have their own emotions, guilt, anger, hurt, shame, or fear to work through. Step 4 is intimacy. For some couples, emotional or physical closeness can feel difficult after betrayal. It may need to be rebuilt slowly, safely, and at a space that feels right for both people, because every couple is different. Step 5 is emotional needs. This is where couples begin to understand what may have been missing, avoided, ignored, or not communicated clearly. It is also a chance to start doing things differently. Step 6 is forgiveness. Forgiveness does not mean forgetting or excusing. It means deciding whether healing is possible without staying trapped in the betrayal forever. And step 7 is moving forward. Not going back to how things were, but deciding whether you can build something healthier, safer, and more honest. Something you can both agree on. And to mark the end of this Infidelity Mini-Series, I am offering 4 free 20-minute introductory sessions for couples who would like to explore whether support may be right for them. See my standstill for available dates and times. Please save, share, follow and subscribe for more relationship and personal growth content. And before you go, if there's a relationship, communication, anxiety or trust topic you'd like me to cover in a future episode, or a question you'd like me to explore, please drop a comment below. Thank you for joining me for my first series on infidelity. I'm Celia, and this has been Inside Aromacy. Until next time.